Welcome back to Learn Computer Programming in C in 2 weeks. Welcome back. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification for the future messages or the videos that we shall be posting in the future. Again, my name is Torach Jimmy, and I'm running this YouTube channel here you're seeing. So today over here we are going to see we are going to continue from the previous lessons where we ended, because we ended in I was just talking about myself and giving information about myself. Now we are going to continue today to the more information about what I've been talking about, and without wasting any time, from our screen here we have the table of contents of the things that we are going to be doing. Okay, so here, without wasting any time, let's go straight away to computer software. Okay, now when we go to computer software, the question can come, what is a computer software? You hear people talking about Microsoft Office, Windows operating system, Linux, Mac OS. What is it? What are they? What are these? Now, a computer software is a set of programs or instructions that controls the operation of computers. These are like instructions. These are just like the rules that the computer should follow in order to perform a given function. You see, you can schedule down, you can write down your schedule and you say that tomorrow I'm going to follow this set of rules throughout the whole day. You can make schedule for tomorrow's day, okay? So even these are like instructions that the computer is supposed to follow when performing tasks, okay? Now, for example, you want to play music, huh? Now, those instructions that the computer is supposed to follow in order to convert that code into a song, then sound it, and then bring out the song outside to your speakers, the computer is following some sort of rules, okay? It's also following some sort of rules because it has to differentiate between what we call the images. For example, you have different files in your computer. We have the images, we have, for example, the MP3, the videos. So how does the computer know that this is a video, this is an MP3, this is a picture? So with these instructions, the computer follows some set of rules to determine all those files, then also know how to transfer them from one form to another, know how to play them out. Okay, so these are just like instructions, huh? Okay. Now, when we go further here, we say that um, computer software is divided into two. Okay, we have the system software and we have the application software. Now, the system software, like we are seeing here, a system software is a group of computer softwares or programs that controls the overall operation of a computer. Are we together? It controls the overall operation of a computer. Now, without a system software, a computer cannot operate. Are you seeing they are giving us here? Without a system software, the computer cannot operate. Okay? Then examples of computer system softwares include operating systems, okay, i.e. Windows OS, Mac OS, Android OS, Linux OS, etc. Are you trying to get this point? That without the system software, the computer cannot operate. The system software is like now the overall, it's like the overall instruction that is going to manage all the hardware resources and everything, and also manage how all those hardwares coordinate with each other. So um it's like that. It's like the basis of all the softwares. It's one that manages the resources in the computer manages users in the computer, and I mean, it is in control of everything. Okay, so some of them we have the operating systems. The operating systems, we have them like Windows OS, we have Mac OS, we have the Linux OS, Android OS, and many other that you know. For example, the Symbian that Nokia was using in their devices. Then even in the second list, we have the utility softwares. For example, the antivirus softwares. You have always been hearing, I need antivirus, my computer is not safe. These are all called utility softwares. They come in to perform a specific task in the computer. The antivirus software, the disk management softwares. Okay? So these are some of them. Then we also have the device drivers. Oh my God, device drivers. Now, my friends, device drivers are very, very critical for the operation of the computer. You see, when you add an hardware into your computer, there should be a device driver or a driver for that hardware that you've added to your computer. The device drivers enables your operating system to communicate to the hardware. It is like it's like the mediator between the operating system and the hardware. Okay, so all the information that the hardware is sending, the device drivers takes all that information and then transfers them to the operating system. So the operating system is able to display it for you in front of you. For example, I'll give you an example here. If you look at the screen right here, I'm going to show you some, for example, a given hardware. Now, for example, we have this. This is a Wi-Fi module, okay? We can have a Wi-Fi module like that, then it is inserted into the PCI or the serial ports of the computer. And now for this, for Windows to recognize such a file, there should be a device driver for it. Now, when the device drivers are not there to control this hardware, Windows will not be able to recognize that hardware, and that hardware will be useless in your computer. It will not be useful. You will not be able to use it. Most of the people face these problems, and but to check out that if you have the drivers installed in your computer, it's very, very simple. You can check it under device manager. Okay, let me show you how you can check out for your drivers. In case maybe you'll head directly to device manager. As we are seeing, you head directly to device manager. Then the device manager is going to show you all the hardware that are attached to your computer. Now, in case there is one of the hardwares, or there is an hardware without the device driver installed, the device manager is directly going to show you as a triangle yellow in color. Now you can see that the device manager is displaying for me all the hardwares that have been attached to the computer. Now we have this is the Bluetooth module, or the Bluetooth hardware. It's already inbuilt inside. So my machine is able to recognize that we have a Bluetooth module because the device drivers have been installed. Okay. We also have the mice. Now, my touchpad of the computer, because for now I'm using a laptop, okay? The touchpad itself has its own drivers. So we have this as synaptic pointing device, okay? Now, when this driver is not there, this one here, if it is not there, the touchpad will not work. It will not work, okay? Then we have also different other device drivers. Now, probably when you install anything to your computer, you'll always be seeing this. Okay, you'll always be seeing this. If the device drivers are not there, the thing will not work. So if you want to check if maybe the drivers are the problem,